Hello, in this screencast I'm going to show you how to use the new Concrete5Blog features for blog administration and adding additional blogs to your already existing site. As you can see, I navigated to the blog administration and you'll see that I have one user right now that is a blog author that is named Susie from Accounting. And you can also see here that there's a pane here which says blogs not associated to author. What this does is we can actually create a blog right now, which allows you to choose any existing page in your site as a blog. For example, we could choose Susie's blog. That way we want to enable Susie to be assigned to it. So we'll go ahead and add that page. Also, if we want to create another one, which we'll do here because we know we have a couple users. We know that we have a guy named Moderator Guy. He likes to give out his recipes in blog format. So we'll click that one and save that page as Moderator Guy's recipes. You can see here a blog that is not assigned to an author can be deleted. You can hit the button and it will actually allow you to delete the blog page association. It actually will not delete the page and all the children pages and all of that because I think an errant click here could spell doom since you can't really undo a delete of a page. But you can see here, I'm going to go over to the Concrete5 built-in users and groups. What that is something I'm sure you're already using for managing groups and users and all of that. And what I'd like to do now is go to Moderator Guy, and I want to allow him to create blog posts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the user. If I'd already created him, I'd have the same format as this, but I have a couple of additional steps to add him as group. So I'm going to add him to administrator group so he can actually see the dashboard and be able to post blog posts. And I'm also going to add him as a blog moderator, which will allow him to either moderate other people's posts or allow him to create posts without having to have them be looked at by anyone else. So we're going to add him as a blog moderator. Okay. So now we have him updated successfully. We'll go back to the blog and blog administration. And we'll see that we have Moderator Guy as a blog author, and we can see that he doesn't have a current blog assigned to him. So we're going to hit Edit Blog Page here, and we're going to select Moderator Guy. He's going to want to post his recipes. And we got a new setting here for every blog, be it the main blog, which is underneath blog settings, and any additional blogs, that you can disable blog taxonomy, which is pretty neat because you can either select if you want the year, day, and month pages created, or if you'd rather just have every blog post just go directly underneath the selected page, which is nice. Say if you want to incorporate an auto nav feature into it without having to customly write the auto nav to ignore those 3 levels of pages before you finally get to the blogs themselves. He's posted some recipes. He's not doing it every day, so we're going to go ahead and disable taxonomy. And we'll hit save. And now Moderator Guy is assigned to Moderator Guy's recipes. And Susie from Accounting, we're going to go ahead and just assign her blog. She's extra special. She's right off the home page there. And we'll just go ahead and select that. And she talks all the time, so she's going to need the taxonomy just to keep her rants in check and without them being all over the place. Okay, so now we have that, and we have no blogs that are not assigned to an author, which is fun. And now we'll go back over to the blog root page here, and we can see that we have an empty box, which I'll take care of before this is released live. We have blog itself, Moderator Guy's recipes, and Susie's blog. Since logging in as administrator, I can post a Moderator Guy's recipes. This is a sweet recipe, a beer, and some Funyuns. How do you spell that? Okay. But we'll go ahead and hit Save as Draft now. Hit Save. And if we go over to the sitemap here, we will see that Moderator Guy's recipes, this is a sweet recipe. If we visit that, you can see a beer and some Funyuns. So that kind of shows how you work with the groups. If you have any questions, just post on the forum or on concrete5blog.com, which should be updated and actually meaningful here in the short future.